How to join voice chat only servers in Roblox. So what we want to do is go to Google and search for this, Rolimons. Go to this first website, Rolimons Roblox. And then what we want to do is click on games here or hover over games and go to games catalog. Now, after we have opened up the games catalog, it should look like this. Here we can search for the game that we want to enter with voice chat. So I will do please donate here as an example. And we just want to click on the first link, the most popular one. Now scroll down, depending on whichever game you have chosen here, and go to places. Now from the places, if your game has voice chat, you will see a separate list of please donate voice chat here in our case. So just click on it, and then once we have this open, we will select view on Roblox. Now what this is going to do is it's going to give us a voice chat only list of the servers. So what we can do is we can click on play here and open the Roblox client, and it will load us into our game's voice chat server. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.